time.
Yeah, really,
Really long time.
Forever.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think the last one was like
A long time ago, like 3 months.
Christmas. Christmas.
I remember Christmas. That's when we got a camera. We got a camera for Christmas.
I remember that.
I remember that too.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So Kenny's been doing good. She's back with our hobo daddy.
Yeah, we didn't really want her with us.
Yeah, she's getting kind of annoying, so we're just like, okay, you know what, go back to daddy.
Look at the We're gonna talk about it on this episode.
I don't know.
Oh. I'm Carl!
Hey, you, Carl, go away!
Get out of here!
That's not. This is a public bathroom. Come on, Jenny! Or Penny!
Yes, Jenny, you stupid! She should have lost your dad! God, you're fast! Go lose your dad, jeez!
Go, Carl, go! Carl!
It's vibrating! Hello? I'll be right back.
Okay, Carl,